Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get access to Devin AI. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open any browser and search Devin AI. Its website will open. Click on request access from the bottom left corner. A pop-up window will open. Here you have to enter the required information, after which you can request for access for getting enrolled to Devin AI. So first enter your email, then tell the reason why you want to use Devin AI. After that you have to tell a little more about yourself, which might be about your any social media account or any other related information. Then click on request access. Once you have submitted your request, you will receive a notification about the approval of your request through the email you just entered. So open a new tab and log into your Gmail account. Here check if you receive the notification of approval to Devin AI, as it might take some time, so keep checking your inbox for more response. And this is how you can get access to Devin AI.